America is mourning after two mass shootings over the weekend in Texas and Ohio. At least 22 people have died after a shooting at an El Paso Walmart on Saturday, and 10 people, including the gunman, were killed in Dayton, Ohio. Here's what you need to know about mass shootings and the state of gun ownership in the U.S. The United States has more mass shootings than any other developed nation. While there's no legal definition, the nonprofit Gun Violence Archive defines a mass shooting as a single incident where 4 or more people are shot or killed, not including the shooter. By the GVA's count, there have been more than 250 mass shootings in 2019. 7 have happened in August alone, including one in Brooklyn Monday morning where 4 victims were shot at a candlelight vigil. So, how many guns are in America? In 2017, it was estimated that there are around 857 million firearms owned by civilians globally. 46%, or approximately 393 million firearms, are owned by U.S. civilians. An analysis by the Washington Post found that every man, woman, and child in America could own a gun, and there would still be 67 million more around the country. Alternatively, there are 120.5 firearms for every 100 U.S. civilians. The nation with the second highest rate is Yemen, where there are 52.8 firearms for every 100 civilians. Guns are also responsible for more deaths in the U.S. when compared to other countries. Data compiled by the BBC found that 73% of homicides in America in 2017 were gun-related. That's in contrast to just 3% in England and Wales, 13% in Australia, and 38% in Canada in the same period. Mass shootings are also becoming deadlier. 8 of the 10 deadliest mass shootings in the U.S. happened in the past 10 years, including when 58 people were killed at a Las Vegas concert in 2017 and 49 fatalities after the Orlando nightclub shooting in 2016. Gallup found in 2018 that 59% of U.S. adults are dissatisfied with the nation's gun laws, and an Associated Press-sponsored poll earlier this year said that 67% of Americans support making U.S. gun laws stricter. It's unclear what, if any, legislative action will be taken in the near future to end the gun violence epidemic, but the majority of this country wants change. Summer Delaney, Pix 11 News.